What's up, y'all? Let's talk about the cloud. What if I told you every time you open your phone, stream Netflix, or use AI, you're actually using supercomputers across the world? Yeah, your phone isn't doing the work, the cloud is. What the cloud actually is. The cloud is a global network of massive data centers that store data and run computing power over the internet. Instead of your computer doing the work locally, the work is done in a remote server and sent back to you. Example of cloud services you probably use every day are Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Oracle Cloud. When you open apps like email, streaming, AI tools, or cloud storage, your request travels through the internet to a data center server somewhere in the world. That server processes the task and sends the results back. You can think of it as the cloud is remote computers running the internet. Why the cloud is essential for AI. AI cannot exist at scale without cloud infrastructure. There are three reasons why. The first one is massive computing power. Training modern AI models requires huge GPU clusters. Companies use chips from NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. These chips sit inside an AI data center connected through the cloud networks. For example, training a large AI model can require 10,000 plus GPUs, weeks of computing, and a lot of data. No single company laptop can do that. Only cloud data centers can. The second reason is global access. The cloud allows AI to be used anywhere instantly. For example, when someone uses ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, or Google Gemini, the AI is not running on their phone. It runs in a cloud data center and sends the answers back. This is why millions of people can use AI at the same time. The third reason is data storage. AI models require enormous data sets. The cloud stores training data, user data, model weights, and inference workloads. Companies like Micron Technology, Samsung Electronics, SK Hynix, Seagate Technology, Western Digital, and SanDisk produce the memory and storage that power these cloud servers. The three most important cloud companies in the world for AI, the cloud market is dominated by three companies. Amazon Web Services at number one, Microsoft Azure at number two, and Google Cloud at number three. Amazon Web Services is the largest cloud provider in the world and focuses on raw computing infrastructure. What AWS does best is massive global server infrastructure, the largest number of cloud services, 200 plus. They're strong for startups and tech companies, and extremely scalable computing power with deep ecosystem for developers. Typical users are startups, internet companies, and tech platforms. For example, Netflix and Airbnb. Think of AWS as renting powerful internet infrastructure. The next one is Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is strongest with large corporations because it connects directly to Microsoft software. What Azure does best: integrate with Microsoft tools like Windows, Office, Outlook, Teams, and Excel. Best for enterprise relationships, strong hybrid cloud with company servers plus the cloud, major AI platforms for businesses. Azure also hosts many AI systems like infrastructure used for ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot. Typical users are banks, governments, corporations, and large enterprises. You could think of Azure as the corporate cloud. Next, we have Google Cloud. Focuses heavy on AI, machine learning, and data analytics. What Google Cloud does best: advanced AI tools, massive data analytics, custom AI chips and TPUs, and extremely fast global internet network. Google developed AI technologies like TensorFlow and Google Gemini. Typical users are AI startups, data-driven companies, and research organizations. You can think of Google Cloud in the AI plus big data platform, And we have the fourth one, an honorable mention, in Oracle. The biggest strength is still its database technology. For decades, many of the world's largest organizations have stored critical data in Oracle database. For example, banks, governments, telecom companies, and healthcare systems. These companies already rely on Oracle software, so moving their data to Oracle Cloud infrastructure is easier. Why this matters for AI? AI models need massive structured data to train on. Oracle already sits on top of huge enterprise datasets. Oracle is king of enterprise datasets, runs mission critical systems for banks, governments, and healthcare. With decades of customer lock in and with a high switching cost. AI needs clean, structured, high value data. Oracle already owns that layer. This gives Oracle a direct pipeline into enterprise AI adoption. Oracle is one of the best at high performance computing for AI training. Large GPU clusters using AMD and NVIDIA. Ultra fast networking, designed for AI training workloads, not just apps. Why this stands out? Most clouds were built for websites or apps. Oracle optimized for AI training clusters. Oracle is also lower cost for AI workloads. Oracle often undercut competitors on GPU pricing, storage costs, and data transfer. AI training can cost millions per run and massive ongoing compute costs. Cheaper infrastructure equals higher advantage for AI companies. Oracle doesn't just provide the cloud, it also owns ERP for finance systems, HR software, and supply chain systems. Now they're embedding AI directly in those apps. This creates a closed ecosystem like Microsoft. Where Oracle fits versus others. AWS, their core strength is scaling and infrastructure. Microsoft Azure, core strength is enterprise plus AI software. Google Cloud, core strength is AI plus data analytics. And Oracle Cloud infrastructure, core strength is database plus AI compute. A simple way to remember is Oracle equals data plus AI compute. AWS equals scale. Azure equals enterprise AI operating systems. And Google equals AI research. Oracle's strength is not being number one, it's being perfectly positioned for the next phase of AI. AI training factories plus enterprise data. If y'all like this breakdown, like, comment, and subscribe, and y'all have a good one. Peace out.